How to fix Instagram collaboration problem. Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem very easy and fast. All what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps right here, and after that go to the apps again. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram and then click on it. After that, now all what you have to do is simple. Just go to this option right here, click on force stop, and then go to the storage. Wait a few seconds and click here on clear data. Now all what you have to do is go to the Play Store and search for Instagram, and here click on this update option here in the top, and after that it must be showing or working for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe.